Hey guys, it's Jamie with the Money Wise Mama here, and today we're going to be talking about the SHG Savings Highway Global Compensation Plan, and we're going to simplify it a little bit. And I do have my iPad here that I am going to be drawing on to make it a little bit easier for you to follow along. So here we go. All right, so with this being the simplified version, there's about 10 ways that you can earn with SHG, and we're just going to go over 3. And these are just kind of the most important that I think, and they kind of help you better understand how you can earn. And this just really will help break it down in the best ways for you to understand. So we're going to go over personal referrals, Unilevel. And then Unilevel is just kind of like a straight line from you. So you enroll somebody, who enrolls somebody, who enrolls somebody. So your genealogy basically, and then a matrix. And it's just going to be a better way for you to understand, because when you log into your back office, you're going to see all of these. And if you don't know what they are, you're going to be a little bit confused. So personal referral and Unilevel. Yeah, so fast start bonuses. Yeah, so those get immediate. They come in that same day. So once you personally refer somebody, they go into your Unilevel, you get that immediately, that same day. Now, when it comes down to the matrix, that is called a renewal. Now, those don't come until the next month. So now, if you sponsor somebody in on May 10th, let's see, May 10th, you do not see anything that day. It's when June 10th. So May 10th, nothing. June 10th, that's when you see your matrix pay. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so the first one we're going to go over is personal referrals or direct referrals. So when you first enroll somebody, you are going to get 50%, and it makes it super, super simple math. So you get your 50%. Now, when you sponsor a Gold, 50% of their $20 enrollment is $10, and then when you enroll enroll a Platinum, it is $50, and when you enroll a Titanium, now Titanium is a little bit tricky because it is a $199, but for simple math, we just rounded up to 100. So your commission for Titanium is 100. Makes it a lot simpler that way. Okay. Now, this makes it super, super awesome for people. Now, when you are a Gold member, you can still qualify for payments for Titanium. So now there are some companies that do not allow you to get the same commission as a higher ranking member, but that's not how it is with SHG. They are set to make everybody and let everybody succeed. So your rank or your membership level does not determine your success. So if you can only afford a Gold membership, and you are still able to receive the Titanium full commission at $100. So that's amazing. So our leaders are great, and they are providing us with the tools to succeed. So that's amazing. So, and we will go over Unilevel in just a second. Hey, Kate, now we're going to go over Unilevel. So now Unilevel, like I said before, is one of the fast starts. So you do get paid immediately upon someone being placed in your Unilevel. Now, when you think of Unilevel, think of a chain directly connected to you. So let's see, you enroll somebody who enrolls somebody who enrolls somebody, and it goes out to 10. Now the way I'm going to draw out on here, let's see, I'll just draw you. So I'll draw a person here, and then we will draw a line out and then put a 10. Okay. And then we'll put you. So it starts with you. And then also for this example, we are going to put, let's see, we'll put it this way. So you enroll Todd, who enrolls Mike, who enrolls Dave, who enrolls Tina, and so on. And we'll just put a little squiggly. Okay, so these are who you have in your Unilevel at this point. Now, we're just going to pretend that Todd, Mike, Dave, and Tina all came in at a titanium level just to make math easier. Now, with the Unilevel, it pays out 100%. So all of the commission gets paid out to the members. And that's really cool because a lot of companies don't do that. Usually they take some back for the company. They take it back to the product. If it's a tangible product, they have to take it back to create the product, like the lotion or the supplement or whatever. But that is the good thing about having a digital product, is you don't have to make your product. So that's one thing that is so great about our product. However, here we go. Okay, so when you are titanium, let's see. So Todd, your commission for Todd would be $100 because your commission is 50% of the 200, and we're rounding up. Just remember that. So your commission on Todd would be $100. So now when he enrolled Mike, your commission on Mike would be $20. So the commission goes 50%, 10%, 5, 5, 5, 5. So it pays out 100%. And like I said, no other company does that. So you would get 100 for Todd, 20 for Mike, 10 for Dave, 10 for Tina, and then 10 for 10 all the way down the line. So that makes it super nice. And when you have your Unilevel full, you can keep creating. So when your Unilevel is full, you can pack another one. So it doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter when these people join or when these people are enrolled, the compensation is the same. So now let's pretend that, let's see. So let's pretend that Dave enrolls Brad, and Brad enrolls 100 people. Now first, when Dave enrolls Brad, you get your $10. So Brad is huge. Let's say Brad is a YouTube rock star or something, and he enrolls 100 people. So now all those 100 people join. Now everybody who signs up under Brad gets you $10 of commission. So $10 commission times 100, what does that get you? That gets you $1,000. So that's amazing. So now, like I said before, you have this one Unilevel, but then you can break off and go, you can go down and you can enroll, say, Jess and Tom and Terry and Tess. So there's lots of T's there, but your duplication is where it's at. That's what you've got to do, is just focus on your duplication. And that's what this is all about, is helping your teammates. You focus on core values and what you can do to help everybody else, because that's what this is all about. So now on to matrix, and we will be done. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the matrix. Now, the matrix is, like I said before, it's on renewals. So once you enroll somebody, you get your fast starts the minute or the day that they come in. Now, the matrix doesn't kick in until that very next month. So let's go with the, let's see. So in the first of this video, I was talking about someone enrolls in May. So May, you get your fast start. Now June is when your matrix commissions are going to kick in. So now let's go ahead and we'll draw this little diagram here. We'll draw us at the top. Okay, so now the matrix is a 3. That's gonna get tight right there. Now it's a 3 by 12. Okay, and we're just gonna pretend like there's more circles than that. I'm just gonna draw circles and circles and an arrow down there. Okay, so we're just gonna pretend like there's lots more circles than that. All right, like I said, it's a 3 by 12. And it's 12 levels, like I said. Okay, so now what goes into your matrix is going to be your personal referrals, personal, and spillover. Okay, now personal, obviously personal referrals. Now spillover. Spillover is basically just somebody that's not in your line of descent, somebody above you, your sponsor, your somebody in your team places somebody in your matrix for you, just because they want to, just because they're being nice. It's amazing that they can do that for you, and they're willing to do that for you. So when you receive an email that someone has been placed in your genealogy and you're like, oh, I have no idea who this is, that is somebody placing them in your matrix for you. So it is super, super nice that they are able to do that for you, and we are very grateful. So now for your personals, let's see, I'm going to change these dots to green. Spill over to blue. Okay, so for your personal referrals in your matrix, you receive 25% commission. Okay, so for gold, you get $5. For platinum, you receive $25. And for titanium, you get $50. That's pretty good, and that's on top of your normal commissions that you will already be receiving. Now for spillover, let's put 3 spillover people in here. Now for spillover, you holy cow. Oh, excuse me. Oh, goodness. Okay, yeah, so for gold, you get $1. For platinum, you get $5. And then for a titanium, you get 10. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically the gist of it, my friends. But those are the main ways and the core ways that you can earn with Savings Highway Global. So it is so we got personal referrals, the Unilevel, and the Matrix. Now, so we got personal referrals, the Unilevel, and the Matrix. Now, like we went over before, personal referral and Unilevel are the fast starts. You get them the same day, and Matrix are the renewals. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the compensation plan for Savings Highway Global. And it is as of June 10th is today, June 10th of 2022. And I'm sure there's going to be updates later on. But as of June 10th, 2022, that is the compensation plan simplified for Savings Highway Global. And I appreciate you guys watching, taking the time. And if you received value out of this, I would appreciate you if you like and subscribe, hit the notification button so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. And there are links down below if you would like to find me on social. And we will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.